This is my documentary to the documentary video 15.7.2021. The specific prints on my display photo I made. On 4th November, I made extra publication from the photos because the video got manipulated. So this is now the voice clip when I made the publication. This reptilian got murder hate, jump on the terrace what is under my window and start to treat, and it's very important are the sounds. I start here now and I turn for the sound. So this is now 11:24 p.m. 6:422. I am writing one comment. Publication to Harari speech, and it starts like this. This is I go now
not first time.
in my gallery to show you where is the video and the photo. Now they manipulate. It is always very difficult. Okay, here you will find the photography from these reptilians. I tell also that is origin Arab in the video. It's before 3rd minute in the video. Oopla, what is this then? I made photo, but I see that is not so. Now, okay, here you will find it. So the sound with this print is very important documentary I found today, and I think it's very important to publish